Welcome to the Luxe for Guide app. In order to be able to use the services of Luxe for Guide, you must be invited by a department store or boutique. You will receive an invitation letter in your email, inviting you to become a partner of the store. To access the platform, you must have the Luxe for Guide app installed on your phone. If you don't see this message in your inbox, please check your spam. Click Download Mobile App in the store's invitation email. Choose one of your favorite browsers. Next, you will arrive at a page. This page introduces the services provided by Luxe for Guide, as well as frequently asked questions and answers during installation. Please select a download method in order to download the Luxe for Guide app. If you are using an Android phone, you need to click on Google Play. If you are using an iPhone, please click App Store. If neither of the above methods work, click on the APK and you will get another download step. Install the Luxe for Guide app. Open the app after installation is complete. If you want to change the language, click on the symbol in the upper right corner, small globe. Next, you need to click the bottom, Get Started, and the registration process will begin. Don't hesitate to contact us if you have any questions during using the application. The Luxe for Guide team is at your service.